Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4A of computer science assignment. Before this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments, PDF and handwritten assignments. So if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which we and for on the other side we provide the whole online classes for the till 12th class. So if you need classes for this, you can contact also. Now the question number 4 here is data processing consists of activities grouped into four functional categories that are necessary to transform data into meaningful information, often referred to as the data processing cycle. Briefly explain this cycle using a suitable flow diagram. So this is the question. If you need answer of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and you can get your answers immediately. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.